Okay, Bitcoin and altcoin and shite coins. There's one guy from Australia who has ass coin or something. Okay. Now, Bitcoin is down. I'm not going to, jump on everyone. Some people are saying it's a clearance sale, it's a sale. Yeah, I would say that if I'm not a financial advisor, I'm giving you an opinion. Huh? So now don't listen to me and start. I'm just telling you. If you want to get into anything, whether stocks, shares, whatever, when the price of, let's say, commodities, or when the price of shares or whatever, the price of anything that you want to invest in, when the price is down at its lowest, that's a good time to buy or invest. Because the simple logic is, then when the price goes up, you can make money. Okay. So even though I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not an expert in Bitcoin, common sense would prevail that when the prices of all these so-called investment assets or whatever, I don't consider them assets, investment opportunities, I would say, or money-making opportunities, when the value is down, it's a good time to buy, so that when the price goes up, you can sell. However, first listen up. I want you to consider this. Let's assume, just to give a rough figure, okay, for the sake of calculation. Let's assume the price is 80,000, okay? One Bitcoin is $80,000, or any coin. One coin is $80,000, okay? Now, it loses 50% of its value. If it loses 50% of its value from 80,000, 50% is 40,000. Okay, 80,000 goes to 40,000. Okay. Now, if it has to go from 40,000 to 80,000, how much percentage would it take? From 80,000 to 40,000 is 50% loss. But from 40,000 to 80,000 is not 50% gain. It is 100% gain. Let that sink into your head. Okay, whether 80,000 or 100,000. Take 100,000, for example. 100,000 is the price of a coin. Goes down to 50,000. Means it lost 50% of its value. But from 50,000, if it has to go back to 100,000, it has to gain 100% of its value. That's the first thing I want you to keep in mind. Ask yourself, what are the chances any investment would give 100%? Yes, in the case of Bitcoin and all that, it has jumped 100%. That doggy coin, 700%. Fine. However, keep in mind, what goes up also comes down. And it's not like everyone on the planet is minting money, is milking money. Business and investments don't work that way. Now that is the first point, the 50 to 100%. Okay. The second thing I want you to keep in mind. Let's say you invested 10,000, let's say $10,000 every month. You're buying any coin or anything when it's down. You bought $10,000, 10,000 when it's low, and you put a total of $100,000. After that, you said, no, it's too expensive, I can't put more, I'll wait now. You waited, you bought it at $10,000 a coin. When it jumped up to 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, you made 600%. Now, if you sell that, what you put 100,000, you got 600,000 back. It's $500,000 profit. Congratulations. Now, where the problem is, you don't know, I don't know when the price will go up. Normal cycle says 3 to 5 years. Normal. Okay, 3 years or 5 years. It doesn't go up and down every week. It doesn't go up and down in the sense it doesn't go like 700% up and 700% down. It goes up, 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 it'll stay sometime. Then obviously there's that mega crash, stays down for some time, and then again it shoots up. Bitcoin as an investment, if you see 10 years ago, it was at whatever. That guy could afford to buy 2 pizzas. Today, obviously he can buy maybe a pizza chain. Fine. But here's the thing. You put your money, number one is you do not know when it's going to go up again. So you'll have to wait 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. That is provided you're still making good money. Provided you don't go through any financial problems. Provided all your investments are safe. Provided your health is good. Everything is fine. Okay? Means you put the money and you're comfortable. Never invest more money than you should. But now, ask yourself, if there is a black swan event, if there is a moment whereby some regulation comes, whereby they say this particular coin is banned, rest all other coins are okay. What do you do then? As of now, until now, Bitcoin seems to be the most popular one. Ethereum, hope I got the pronunciation right, second most popular. And then there are, other small coins and the scrap coins. Now most of the people are trying to get into these other small new coins. There are 3,000 to 5,000 of them when they are at 0.000 something, and they are hoping when it goes to double the value, they double their money. Yes, it's a good gamble, it's a good way. But then again, remember, not every opportunity that appeals, that gets your fascination, is actually a smart thing. The problem is, most of you people, you're only looking at, oh, I made 1 million, oh, I made 100,000. You're not checking those people who lost money also. Which brings me to the next point. Once you invest this kind of money, keep in mind it's your hard-earned money. That is, provided it's your hard-earned money. If it's your money you just won through a lottery, okay, it's different. But I'm assuming it's your hard-earned money. But one thing I can definitely state, that this money is important to you. It's not money that you can throw away. Now, after you put the money in, one thing is for a fact. You have to pay attention day and night. You have to pay attention to it. For many people, they don't have the stomach or they don't have the capacity to handle the stress that comes with it. It's a very stressful time. There are people who literally log into their accounts day and night, every hour, to check, oh, the price is going up, 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 up. They stop everything. They don't go, when they go to the exercise, they check. When they go to eat food, they check. When they are sleeping, they check. When they wake up, they check. It literally takes over their entire life. So if this is something that you enjoy doing, you like doing, fine, get into it. But if it is something that you cannot stomach or you cannot handle, then don't get into it. As far as I've seen, the ones who are successful in this line of, this kind of investment, as you call it, they are the people who are in it for long haul, like 5 years, 10 years. They're ready to put that kind of time period. So if you're willing to put 5 to 10 years, long haul, then this kind of investment will suit you, it'll help you. But if you're thinking you're going to put it today and get money tomorrow, that is a gamble. Yes, there are people who have made it. I know some guys who literally have told me, Loy, I made $50,000. Wow, that's good for you. Now, did they actually make it? Are they telling me the truth? I don't know. But I would like to believe they're telling me the truth. They made $50,000 within 1 month or 3 months, whatever. Good for you. But now the question is, does that mean every single person on the planet made 50,000 or 500% of the investment within 3 months or 6 months? That's not how it works. Okay? And one last thing I want to tell you. Keep in mind, when you win big. But when you lose, you may, M-A-Y, may lose big. And once you lose, to get back into the game, It's not going to be easy. Making money is a very slow, painful process. If you get lucky, you have won a lottery, you invested in a coin and it jumped 700%. Wow, it's a one-off event. You're lucky, you made your money. Great guns. Congratulations. There are people who have done it. I tell them literally, man, you're smarter than me. You're smarter than most of the people. Congrats. But remember, with big risks come big reward. You can be a stuntman and do dangerous stunts and get paid big money. One mistake will cost you everything. And as a human being, we are all capable of that one mistake. So don't assume you're Superman. So all I want to tell you, my thoughts on this cryptocurrency crash is now it's for the people who are in it for the long term. This is a great time for them to put their money and sit for the next 5 to 10 years and wait for it to jump again 700% or 1000% or whatever. But having said that, keep in mind, not every cycle is going to give you like, it's going to go up, 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 up. There is a very strong possibility that one fine day, these coins will be worthless. Okay. Hey doggy, how are you? So one fine day, and my prediction, this is my prediction about Bitcoin. There will come a day where after the last coin has been mined, it'll all come down to zero. Hey doggy, you're following me? Are you? Want to come? Don't want. One day all these coins will be worth zero. Cryptocurrency is the future, yes, but not the way it is doing it. Right now it is madness. Right now it is stupidity. Right now it's a mania. It's a frenzy. And this is not normal. So this is what I have to say. My dog is going crazy. This is what I have to say. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If I'm wrong, please feel free to correct me. Maybe you're a cryptocurrency expert who has made millions and who can shed some light and guide mortals like us to become billionaires like you. Make money, my friends. If you have made money, congrats. I'm happy for you. But just be cautious, that's all I tell you, because making money is not easy. Yes, you can be lucky, but when shit hits the ceiling, like Elon Musk now, he has lost his credibility. People know that he'll tweet one day this way, one day he'll tweet that way, one day this way. He is like he's like a woman getting her periods. His mood changes every day. One day Bitcoin yes, one day Bitcoin no. One day you can buy Tesla, one day no. One day I support Bitcoin, one day it's bad for the environment. Today Dogecoin, tomorrow Catcoin. Anyway, that's what I have to say. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Me signing off. Ciao.